had a knee problem, extreme knee problem. I was totally limited. I couldn't do much of anything. I fell a lot, you know, because it gave out a lot. And then my one doctor told me he repaired it as much as he could. And I went to somebody else and they couldn't fix it. And I came here and he listened to me. And I just had I was getting it drained like every 6 weeks. I was getting it drained and I couldn't sleep. And I was totally limited. I could hardly go anywhere. I couldn't ride in the car. Couldn't walk very far. I had a total knee replacement. It was really fast. I mean, I went in there Friday morning, walked Friday, and I went home Sunday morning. It was super fast, super fast. Just about everything, except for I haven't been able to kneel on it, but I totally became independent again. I can get in and out of the bathtub, and I can get in and out of the car. It's been 13 weeks for me now, and I have total range of motion. So it's super, super. Everybody at therapy keeps giving me a hoorah. Most of the time, 0. I'm a little sore after therapy, working out. Other than that, I don't have any. Oh, definitely. I think a lot of people don't realize that you are supposed to be able to live with pain-free, you know? It was, well, just getting my mobility back, you know, helps your self-esteem, just everything, you know. I'm more independent again, and I guess that's the best way, you know. I mean, you know, I have a partial knee replacement on my right one that he did, and that's been over 3 years, and I'm total pain-free over there. He really listens.